Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to zoom through the wheel effect. Duplicate the video, mask out the wheel. You can take a pen tool or roto brush, but I prefer Mocha AE for perfect tracking and selection of mask. Go into the Mocha and make a cool selection. Track the mask. Now save the tracking and close the Mocha. Open Matte and press on Create AE Masks. This will create a mask selection on the layer. Rename the layer to Add and duplicate it. Rename duplicated layer to Subtract. Press M on Subtract layer and change mask mode to Subtract. Press M on Add layer and make sure the mode is set to Add. Move your second video under the Subtract and Add layers. Move the video backward from where you want the zooming to start. Select Add layer and press on P and set a keyframe right where the second video starts from. Then go a few frames forward and move the position until we don't see it. Enable motion blur on Add layer. First step is ready. Let's create now a zooming effect. Create new camera. Name it Wheel Zoom. Enable 3D on Subtract layer. Expand Wheel Zoom layer, press Transform and set keyframes for everything. Go a few frames forward, then grab Dolly Cursor tool and start zooming into the wheel. Select Add layer and press P button to move the rim keyframes. We will need to make it a bit faster. Simply move the second keyframe a few frames backward. Enable motion blur for Subtract layer as well. To smooth the motion, select the Wheel Zoom layer and press U, then select keyframes and press F9. Then go to Graph Editor and make a smooth curve. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and like the video please.